Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Drive for collaborative editing workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Google Drive, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Drive and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears, which will take you to the Google Drive homepage. If you already have a Google account, click on the Go to Drive button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address and click Next. Next, enter your password and click Next again. If you do not have a Google account, click on the Create Account link. You will be given options to create an account for yourself. Choose the appropriate option and fill out the required information. This includes your first and last name, desired email address, and password. After filling in the details, click Next. You will then be asked to verify your phone number for security purposes. Enter your phone number and click Next. Follow the prompts to receive and enter the verification code sent to your phone. Once verified, continue filling out your profile information. This includes your recovery email, date of birth, and gender. After completing your profile, click Next to go to the account customization screen. You may choose your privacy settings and make any necessary adjustments. Once done, click Next again. You will be taken to a screen explaining Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Review the documents, then click I agree to accept the terms. Now your Google Drive account is successfully created. You will be directed to the Google Drive interface. To create a new document, click on the plus New button on the left sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select Google Docs for a collaborative document. In the new document, you can start typing your content. To invite collaborators, click on the Share button located in the upper right corner. Enter the email addresses of those you want to collaborate with. Set their permission levels to viewer, commenter, or editor based on their role. Once you've added their emails and set permissions, click Send. Your collaborators will receive an email invitation to join the document. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.